Here with me is the West African Senior School Certificate Examination 2024. Interestingly, the student in the three views: the front elevation, the side or end elevation, and the plan or top elevation. So this is the first angle projection, and we are asked to make a freehand sketch of the isometric view of the block, making S the lowest point. So in my videos, I always taught you how to draw first angle projection and how to couple a block with the given views. You are asked to make a freehand sketch, not to draw in isometric projection, not using your angles, but you have to make a freehand sketch of these views of the block and making what the lowest point S, which is what I'll be teaching you today. And also in their question, they also asked to make a freehand sketch of the pictorial view of a car jack and also the pictorial view of a star screwdriver. Very interesting to note. This is what they asked to do in the questions, but this is the one we're taking today, to make a freehand sketch of the isometric view of this block. So that's what we'll be drawing for today. I'm sure you would love to learn this, and for those that took part in the examination and you're watching this video, please in the comment section, please may you notify us your reviews, how it was for you. The question, they were not only asked to draw the isometric block or with these given views, they were not only asked to draw that. This is section A part. In the section B, they were asked to draw a sketch plan of a bungalow. That's what they were asked to draw. So this is the sketch plan of the bungalow, and they are asked to do a floor plan, so to section it. So they were asked to draw the floor plan, the front elevation, and to section the building, which is what Eloki Concept will be teaching you very soon. So stay tuned and stick to the channel. Eloki Concept will be dropping interesting videos giving you detailed explanation on how to draw the floor plan, the front elevation, and how to section a building in building drawing. So for now, I'll be teaching you how to draw the block or with this given isometric view. We are having the front elevation because this is the first angle projection. So we're having front elevation, side elevation, and the plan. So we are asked to make point S the lowest point, which means that from our front elevation, this point is where our angle or where our drawing will start from. That's our point of origin. I don't know if you get my point. So this point S is where the drawing will start from. That is what they are telling us to do. So this is the front and this is the side. That's what we are giving. So for the front, we are giving this side here. So let's first understand our given views. For the front, we are giving here, here, and here. So the side now, this part that is here is this, but it is slanted from the side view. This other part here, like this, is this, and this other part here is this. So this other part is this, but now there is a hidden detail line here, a cutting line, which showing us there's a hidden detail. What's the hidden detail? It is here. It's showing us that here is being cut. So that's why we're having this hidden detail here. So it's for this part. Then for the plan, this hidden detail is also for here, looking from the top. So the hidden detail is showing here in the plan, which is this. Then for this is this we're having here. This one, which is this one is for here. This one is for here. Then we have these other parts in our given block. So let's us draw the block. We are seeing this part for the front elevation, the front view. So this point S will be our lowest point. That's our starting point for the front view. So since the lowest point is here at this right hand side, that means our drawing will be in this direction. That is, we are looking at this left direction because the lowest point is here. So we need to also have the side view. That's why our front view will be like this. That's looking this direction. But if the lowest point was here, our front view will be in this direction, and our side will be looking in this direction. Now let me draw so that you understand what I'm talking about. So we're having here, which is this part here. Let's try and draw in 30 degrees form. We're having this other part here, this vertical part, which is here. Also having here which is for hair. Good. Then we'll join it. Remember, it's a freehand sketch, so that's what we are doing. There will be instructions. Then we're also having this other part here, which is here, short. It is being short. Good. Then we are having it up. Take it up to extend it backwards. Good. Also join here. So let's join it here. Then what are we also having? Then we are having this part here like this, which is this part. So it is being slanted from the side view. This is our point S, the lowest point, which is here and here. Then we're having this part. Then it's cut here, small. So we'll draw it here. Then we'll join it. Good. We're also having this part here. So bring it out. But this part now is down, vertical. So bring it down. Then we're having this other part here. We're having here like this. Then here will come down vertical 90 degrees. So after here, then this is where it stops. So we're having this is where it stops. It not reach the end, so it stopped here. That's why we are stopping here. Then we take it backwards. So for here, we join it down. So here will come down first of all to join it here, then here like this. Then here goes back to join it here 90 degrees. Then you're also having here join at 60. Then goes up, join with this, then it extends back, join here, join here. So what are we seeing from our front elevation? We're having here, which is here. We're also having this part, which is here. Then we're having here this L form, which is here. Now we are seeing from the front view. Now the side, the end elevation, what are we having here? For this end, we are having this part here. Yeah. We're also having here that's not dead, which is here. We're having this part here, which is here. We're having here, which is here. That's for the end. For the top, what are we having? For the top, we're having this part here, which is here. We're also having here, which is here. And we're having this top, which is this top, and this top, which is this top. So this is the isometric block with this given isometric view. So we just produce what we are given. If this is exactly what you did here, have it in mind that you're having complete 20 marks for giving them what you were meant to give to them, for being instructions. First of all, giving them a freehand sketch and producing exactly what you're given. So this is what we are asked to draw, a freehand sketch. Freehand sketch does not make use of drawing instruments, only use of pencil. So if this is what you did, be assured of your 20 complete marks. Then for a car jack, this is how to draw a car jack, freehand sketch of a car jack. If you did this, you're having complete 10 marks. Star screwdriver, we know how to draw a star screwdriver. For a star screwdriver, then you can terminate it here, can bring out the hand, so something like this, then take it up. So you can give them something like this. So something like this can go for a star screwdriver. So if you also did this for a star screwdriver, be assured of your 10 marks. So this is just a complete 30 marks that you can do freehand sketch. If this is exactly what you did in your WAEC, you are assured of complete 30 marks. So this is the little I want to teach you in this video. For those who wrote the WAEC, the West African Senior School Certificate Examination, please drop a comment in the comment section, telling us, indicating that you wrote the exam and telling us how your exam went, if it was a nice one or not. So thank you for watching this video. In my next video, I'll be dropping how to draw the building, the floor plan. So now I'll be teaching you using this that we are giving. We'll draw the floor plan, the sketch plan. After doing the sketch, in another video we'll draw the front elevation. After the front elevation, we'll draw the section, we'll section the building. So this is what you learn from LOK concepts. As the best in the game, we will always deliver. So stay tuned and watch out for more interesting content from us. Thank you very much.